Soumya, welcome back to my channel. Alright, you guys may be searching for a face wash for acne marks, for blackheads and whiteheads, for oily skin, for combinational skin, for dry skin. So here is an amazing face wash for all of these problems, and I have been using this over 2 weeks now, and I can really see my acne marks reducing, and I have combinational skin. Especially my T-zone area is oily and my cheeks, my forehead is dry. So I have been using this face wash and this doesn't dry up any of the areas on my face. So introducing to you guys amazing face wash in the market today. So it's the Wow Skin Science Apple Cider Vinegar Foaming Face Wash, and this comes with brush. It's like inbuilt brush, you can see. So I'm gonna be showing the live results, how this face wash turns my skin after using this. And this is like a very affordable face wash, and it has no parabens, no sulfates, no silicones, and no color, which is so good. And this can also help for sensitive skin people, and this retails for 399 rupees, which is so good, because you should invest in for a scrubber, like around it takes 200 rupees, and for the face wash 200. But this face wash comes with the inbuilt brush, and the bristles are very soft, they are very light on the skin. It doesn't, create any harsh lines on the face, which is so good. And it has like 4 holes here, so through this the product comes out. And yeah, it's a foaming face wash, so it doesn't dry the skin, because foaming face wash are very light on the skin than gel based or cream based face wash. So first I'll clean everything using a wet wipe, and my face now, and I'm directly gonna use this face wash on my face. As it's foam based, I don't have to use any water, so I just have to like pump this slowly and the product comes out. So I'm just gonna take this on my face and exfoliate in a circular motion, pump it, and the product comes out. And it's very light on the skin, and also as it comes with a brush, it's travel friendly. You just have to put this face wash in the bag, no need to carry a scrubber. So I'll just give a massage like this for 1 to 2 minutes, and you can see how the foundation gets into this brush. And also this brush helps you with cleaning the areas here under the nose, because that's where the whiteheads and blackheads are accumulated for most of the people. So once this is done, I'm just gonna take the same product for whole of my eyes. As I didn't use a brush under my eyes, I'll just take the same product under my eyes and clean it with my fingers. And I'm quickly gonna wash my face and come back to you guys. So this is how my face looks after the wash. It's deep cleaned the nose area, the cheek area, and also you can see some acne marks in this region of my face, and they are reducing. I had like big pimples, especially in this area of my face, so they have been reducing, and all the blackheads and whiteheads are completely cleaned. Even after applying so much makeup on my face, my skin feels good. And yeah, you should definitely try out this product. And also I forgot to tell one feature of this product, that is it comes with a cap for the brush, and you don't have to wash your brush every single time you are using it. So whenever you are out, you can just take out the cap and use directly onto your face, which is so good. I am falling in love with this product. I think You should definitely try out this product, and all the links are in the description box. Do have a look, and do let me know after trying this in the comment section. I would love to know. And also subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment down. More love to you guys. Bye.